Total station surveyors in Gurgaon play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and mapping. With the use of advanced technology and equipment, these professionals are able to accurately measure and record various data points on a piece of land. The total station, a highly specialized instrument, combines the functions of a theodolite and an electronic distance meter, allowing surveyors to measure angles and distances with great precision. In Gurgaon, where urban development is rapidly expanding, the services of total station surveyors are in high demand. One of the key tasks performed by total station surveyors in Gurgaon is the creation of detailed topographic maps. These maps provide valuable information about the elevation and slope of a given area, which is essential for various engineering and construction projects. Total station surveyors use their expertise and equipment to accurately measure the height and contours of the land, creating an accurate representation of its features. This information is crucial for architects, civil engineers, and urban planners, as it helps them design structures and infrastructure that are compatible with the natural terrain. Another important aspect of total station surveying in Gurgaon is boundary surveying. This involves determining the legal boundaries of a property or piece of land. Total station surveyors use their skills and equipment to accurately measure and demarcate these boundaries, ensuring that there are no disputes or encroachments. This is especially important in urban areas like Gurgaon, where land values are high and property ownership can be a contentious issue. The expertise of total station surveyors helps resolve any discrepancies or conflicts related to property boundaries. SCON stands for Survey Control Network, which refers to a system of control points established by surveyors across a given area. In the realm of land surveying and mapping, Gurgaon's total station surveyors are essential. These experts can precisely measure and document various data points on a plot of land by utilizing cutting-edge equipment and technology. Surveyors can measure angles and distances with extreme precision, thanks to the total station, a highly specialized tool that combines the capabilities of a theodolite with an electronic distance meter. Total station surveyors are in high demand in Gurgaon because of the city's rapid urban growth. The production of thorough topographic maps is one of the main duties carried out by total station surveyors in Gurgaon. For many engineering and construction projects, these maps offer invaluable information regarding the elevation and slope of a certain area. Total station surveyors create an accurate depiction of the land's features by precisely measuring the height and curves of the terrain using their knowledge and tools. For architects, civil engineers, and urban planners, this knowledge is essential because it enables them to create infrastructure and buildings that are in harmony with the surrounding environment. Boundary surveying is a crucial component of total station surveying in Gurgaon. Identifying a property's or piece of land's legal limits is necessary for this. To ensure that there are no disagreements or encroachments, total station surveyors utilize their expertise and tools to precisely measure and demarcate these borders.